Hey guys, you know you're an adult when you get excited about closet shelves. So today I'm going to show you how to build shelves in case you need to build some and customize your closet. So my daughter's closet already has one vertical piece right in the middle of her closet. So now all I need to do is cut another vertical piece and then cut 5 shelf boards that I'll tie those 2 vertical pieces together. Now I'm going to cut 5 pieces of 1x2 to the same width as the shelf boards, and these will act as supports when everything is installed. Okay, so now I'm going to lay out and mark where my shelf boards are going to be. I'm going to mark on the small edge on both sides so that when I have it propped up and laying out the shelf boards, I'll be able to see and make sure that it's going to be level when it's installed. So I'm doing 13 inches apart. So I have my shelf boards roughly lined up with the mark, and I have the vertical piece laying on top, so I'm able to get them lined up perfectly one by one and nail down through the outside of the vertical board. And I'm going to use a little wood glue while I'm at it. Okay, now we're ready to install it in the closet. You can see my daughter has a huge closet, but there's not a lot of places to put her little things, so this will be perfect. I already have the closet doors removed, so now I'm ready to nail this in place. I nailed all of the cleats to the wall when the shelf was level, and then I came on the other side of this existing vertical support and nailed them for support on the left side and did that all the way down. Now it's securely attached to the wall, and she can put whatever she wants on these shelves and it'll be secure and stable. Okay, I'm ready to get it caulked and finished off, so I'm gonna caulk all of these cracks and joints, make it look nice and like it was one piece. Get a fresh coat of paint on it, and it'll be ready for toys. I think my daughter is going to love this. She didn't even know I was doing it today, so I can't wait for her to come home. This gives her so many more places to store her toys, and my favorite part is that it's going to be hidden once I put the closet doors back on. Thanks for checking in.